Customer activation versus onboarding automation tools. Which one is better for time to value? Most SaaS companies think getting a new customer means success, but here's the truth: the real battle starts after the sale. Reducing time to value depends on how fast and effectively users reach their first aha moment. That's where customer activation and onboarding automation come in. Customer activation focuses on driving engagement and product usage right after sign-up. It's all about guiding users toward key actions that show them the product's core value, like completing their first project, connecting an integration, or inviting teammates. The goal is momentum. Activation tools track user behavior and trigger messages or nudges that encourage progress. Onboarding automation, however, is the structured process that gets users set up efficiently. It includes automated tutorials, checklists, and personalized journeys. Think of it as the roadmap to activation, helping users navigate setup tasks step by step without manual support. The difference is timing. Onboarding happens first, it teaches. Activation happens next, it motivates. So, which one's better for time to value? Onboarding automation shortens setup time and removes friction, making sure users understand the basics quickly. But customer activation ensures they experience the real benefit, the value that makes them stay. In reality, both are essential. Automation handles education. Activation drives emotion. Together, they turn new users into loyal customers faster than ever. Because in SaaS, it's not about sign-ups, it's about success stories.